Hi, I'm Liam, and welcome to Fynlo. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Snap and Forget habit with AI Expense and Google Drive, a simple way to track expenses without ruining your weekends. Snap the receipt. After making a purchase, open your Google Drive and take a clear photo of your receipt using your phone's camera, or upload a digital receipt directly to your connected Google Drive. Make sure the store name, date, and total amount are clearly visible. Once it's uploaded, you're done. No manual entry needed. Step 2. Let AI do the work. As soon as the receipt is in Google Drive, Fynlo's AI Expense automatically scans it. The AI extracts key details like the merchant name, purchase date, and total amount. If you don't see it right away, simply open AI Expense in Fynlo and tap Sync to pull in the latest receipts. Step 3. Review and save. Review the extracted details and make quick edits if needed. Then select the payment method, set the payment date, and choose the correct expense category. Once everything looks good, click Save. And that's it. Buy grocery, snap the receipt, throw the paper away. AI Expense takes care of the rest. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.